Greetings, artists and art enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a special creative session because we'll be drawing Hello Kitty in an extra pink dress using my tablet. But before we immerse ourselves in this world of colors and creativity, I want to remind you that your support is the spark that makes our channel shine. Gratitude to all the loyal followers of Color Fun for being part of this thrilling adventure. Every subscription, like, and comment is like strokes of a brush, breathing life into our channel. As I always say, this is just the beginning of a journey filled with creativity and magic. Until the next video, where we'll explore new and exciting themes in Color Fun.